This PC case has got me all kinds of excited. I mean, look at this, you guys. Black, pink, black, pink. I mean, it's giving girly, but with a badass edge to it. I just cannot wait to actually get the components in here and build the baddest badass girl PC possible in this thing. But I need help. I want you guys to give me some ideas. Tell me what you think I should put in this thing. What parts does it absolutely need? I'm thinking minimal RGB with blacked out parts. But tell me, what's your thoughts?